smaller, it's a smarter start to your day. With 6 carefully selected ingredients, this flavorful blend supports energy, focus, appetite control to help you look and feel your best. So the couple of the ingredients that I'll mention here, Chromamate, Super Citramax, L-theanine, natural caffeine, Paradoxin, Sapphire Active, to mention the 6 that it has. Now, I might sound a little bit rough in the edges, but this product has just arrived. So you're learning, I'm learning. But to be honest with you, I got myself a bag of coffee. I had one this morning. Absolutely amazing. And obviously, I'm going to say that, but it is. It's very good. It actually reduced my cravings today, this morning, actually. Reduced my cravings. I felt good. I had 1 teaspoon this morning. And it's really exciting to have this product also on our shores. And then coming in September, the power of Ace Mannan. Now, what is Ace Mannan? So Vericel is the product. It goes very well with the fix. Ace Mannan does not fight or cure any disease. It does, however, optimize your own body's immune system and responses to every disease. So it fights AIDS, it fights cancer cells. The formula that we're bringing in is 4 times more potent than the original one. Bearing in mind, these products were and are available in the US and in Canada. Our company manufactures every single product that we sell, so we don't buy it from a third source. So rest assured, you are the only one getting this if you buy from that person that has told you to watch this video. So there's 40 plus years of science and data linked to this. It optimizes the immune system, provides glyconutrient mannose, we call it, promotes healthy cell-to-cell communication and function, cognition and gut health, the macrophage activation, so the master regulator of the defense and repair. And remember, we said in the beginning, rest and digest is when the fix works. Now the Vericel comes together with that in September when it's here, and you get healthy and you stay healthy. So this is just a quick overview of the products that we have. Simply put, these products work. It makes you feel better, watch inches disappear, and improve your overall well-being. Take back your health, get back to that person that told you to watch this video, and ask them more questions. Get yourself some products and see the difference, because they care about you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll